In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Marketing 2026 tutorial for beginners. 5 minutes. We'll set up a complete marketing board using a ready-made template, then tailor it so your team can plan, track, and report without busy work. Start by logging into Monday.com and making sure you're in the correct workspace and have permission to create boards. This ensures everything you build lands in the right place for your team. Next, look for the plus icon in the top navigation. This is your shortcut to creating new items. Click it, then choose the Template Center. Templates save time and give you a proven structure, especially if you're new to Monday.com. Inside the Template Center, use the search bar and type Marketing. You'll see a variety of options, but we're going to focus on the Marketing Activities template. Open the preview to scan the groups, columns, and example items. You're looking for a layout that covers campaigns, channels, owners, statuses, and dates so you don't have to build from scratch. Click Use Template, pick the right workspace and folder, then confirm the privacy settings your team needs. In a moment, your new board will appear, preloaded with groups, columns, and sample rows. Now it's time to customize. Rename the board to reflect your team or current campaign. Update group names to match your flow, like planning, in progress, live, and completed. Review the columns: owner, status, due date, priority, channel, budget, and any others included. Remove what you don't need, add what you do, and reorder them so the most important fields are up front. Click directly into cells to edit. Assign owners by selecting teammates, set clear statuses, and add due dates. Use tags or channels to categorize work, attach files for briefs or creative, and drop links to shared folders. Open the Updates panel on any item to leave context, decisions, and next steps so conversations live with the work. To visualize timelines and workload, add different views. Calendar View helps you see deadlines. Kanban shows status by column, and Timeline or Gantt reveals dependencies and schedules. Filter views for specific channels or campaigns and save them so your team returns to the same perspective every time. Add simple automations to reduce manual follow-up, like notifying the owner when a deadline approaches, moving items to live when approved, or alerting the team when a status changes to done. Start small and expand as your process stabilizes. Finally, integrate your tools. Connect Slack or Teams for instant notifications, Google or Outlook Calendar for date syncing, Drive or Dropbox for assets, and marketing platforms like HubSpot or MailChimp to align campaigns. Check permissions and test with a sample item to confirm everything works. That's it. You've logged in, chosen the marketing activities template, customized your board, edited items, leveraged views and automations, and connected your stack. Save your board as a template for future campaigns, star it for quick access, and invite your team to collaborate.